How to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. So this issue might arise because you have done some activities that is against the community guidelines of TikTok. But if you haven't done any of the suspicious activities but still your account has got banned, then in this case, you will be able to recover your account. In order to do so, head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Chrome. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for unbanned TikTok account. Now, you have to head over to the very first site, Account Safety. It will be landing you on this page. In here, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And with the blue highlights, you will be able to see Contact Us. Click on it. This interface will appear on a screen. In this page, you will be able to contact the customer support of TikTok. First of all, you have to select the topic of the problem that you have been facing. It means you have to select Unban TikTok and then enter the email address associated with your account. Once you have entered your email address, the next thing you want to do is enter the username of your account. And in the additional details, you simply have to write the problem that you have been facing. You can simply write that my account has been unbanned. Please help me recover my account as soon as possible. After that, click on this checkbox and then click on Submit at the bottom. Once the report has been submitted, within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then your account will be unbanned. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.